shit. No, not Teams. No. There's so much fucking around that goes on in there. That was the glass panel. Hello everybody and welcome to this new video. It's me, it's Silas, and today we are doing a kind of different video from what we usually have. We have no real screen capture because this is gonna, I guess my PC is going to have to restart, so let me just record it with my phone, I thought, because if I have to stop and start OBS like multiple times, that's stupid. And that can't record everything anyway, so yeah. Pop! OS 22.04 LTS has now just been released like a few hours ago, maybe 1 hour, something like that. And in this video I am going to install it. We are not going to show off all the different features in it, what's new and what's happened. We're just going to upgrade Pop! OS on my system, and I just want to record it in case something weird happens.
Sometimes foreshadowing is relatively obvious.
There's an article on the Pop! OS blog, or the System 76 blog, how to upgrade. In settings, before diving into the upgrade, open PopShop, did install review and perform outstanding updates. This will ensure fast and more reliable upgrade. That's one way to do it. But actually what I wanted to do is this in terminal, just because why not? So yeah, let's press Super and T to bring up my terminal of choice, which just for literal no actual technical reason, I like to use Cool Retro Term. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, Cool Retro Term, yes. So we're going to do sudo apt update, type the password, and then there we go. Term packages can be upgraded, yes. They say you're supposed to do full upgrade there for this time. What do we have? Lib ham system D things, more system D we upgraded. 0 to new install, 0 to remove. I love this terminal so much. This looks like, makes me feel like I'm in one of the like in the first Alien film or something. Except obviously I'm not going to die. Hopefully. They do say that you are supposed to back up your files. Where is it? Yes, right there. Note: back up your system to a storage drive before upgrading, reinstalling or refreshing your OS. Creating frequent backups is guaranteed to save users from extremely rare chances of data loss and ensuring heartbreak.
Sometimes foreshadowing is relatively obvious.
This is very much true. Absolutely do this. I don't have any other drives I can use for this. I have drives which are formatted for Windows, and I don't want to get rid of them because they have some like critical files on them, and I'm just too lazy to actually move it around. And I'm just going to ignore this. But in addition to apt, I'm also going to do actually sudo flatpak update. Let's look at the Pop Shop if I've missed something or there's some special stuff that only this can see. And also I want to point something out. I want to show all of you this. I think this is a new addition, but if you go to OS and recovery, I think, yeah, right there it says, I think this is a new feature. I have not seen this here before. Maybe I just didn't know. But there's system and application updates, automatic updates. You can enable this if you can't be asked to type in sudo apt update and upgrade and flatpak update. I think having this for new Linux users that have not a lot of experience, that's a good feature to have for inexperienced Linux users. Definitely learn how to update things in the terminal though. You should definitely learn this because it's not that hard. But yeah, if you like install Linux on like your NAND system or whatever, then sure, enable auto updates, that's fine. So we did apt update and full upgrade. So we also did flatpak update. So the next thing is pop-upgrade release upgrade. And as your system upgrades, you may be prompted to answer a few questions. Press Y and then enter to continue. After a reboot, about 15 minutes, bam, upgrade complete. I'm sorry I hit the camera a bit. Okay, let's do it, people, let's do it. Look at how awesome this terminal looks. Look at that, look at this. I think that looks madly cool still. Okay, well that's interesting. Pop OS, what are you doing? New version available, false. Look at that, look. It says up current release 21.10, 21.10, and then upgrading to 21.04, and then it says new version available, false. What is this? Is this not greater than that? That's really dumb. Can you do it in the in these settings? I thought it said no updates available there either. So people have written down that you can type sudo pop upgrade release up and then do -f, which I don't know where they got that from. New version available 4. Okay. Well, let's see what happens. That's an experiment, anyways. This whole channel. Fetching the data, 3,129 megabytes. Recovery partition refueled and ready to go. That feels like a very Pop OS thing to have in the command. I'm wondering if this is gonna be fucked up when this is done. Maybe I'll edit this on my phone. So then you can watch it anyways, even if this fucks up all my data and all logos and everything. Actually, I probably could have done a few like backup things, but it's too late now. Mainly because I'm actually just absolutely too lazy. So, oh yeah, by the way, I have a really old ThinkPad which does run Windows currently. Actually a 380D. This is fucking gorgeous. This is awesome. Probably gonna do a few videos on this little boy because that's just really interesting. Maybe branch out a bit into other tech. I know this is called Silas on Linux, but I want to explore other cool and like old and retro and alternative tech things, because there's more than just Windows and Intel and AMD and like Apple or something. So yeah, that's gonna be probably a few interesting videos. Write a comment if you would be fine with me doing more interesting and fun tech content other than just Linux, because I would really want that. You don't have to watch it. I just bought Sonic Lost World on PC. I've had it on the Wii U. I have it on 3DS, I think, but I haven't played the 3DS version. But that's a great looking game. Follow my Twitter, everybody, by the way, @WatchSilasTV. I have Instagram too, but I hate it and I don't use it. So okay. No. Well, anyways, if you can find a deal on Sonic Lost World and you like 3D jump and run games, personally, I really recommend it because the 3D stages are actually really awesome. It has bland themes. This is really random, by the way, but it has bland themes. Like in terms of, this is generic green meadows. This is generic desert now. Oh, this is generic cloud area. This is generic hell. Generic lava-filled volcano thing. Wow. That's boring. The level settings are kind of boring. But I think the 3D levels are nice. Fucking the 2D ones kind of suck. They're boring. But then also, the music is fucking awesome, and the art style itself, I think it just looks really beautiful. And you've been hearing Sonic Lost World soundtrack right in the background, right here. Don't know if doing that is a good idea, but hey! I think optimally, you would just leave your system the fuck alone. But who has fun doing that? That's not fun. That's not fun. Is it? Look at this. This looks already fucking awesome. Look at this. Look at these. You're inside of an air tube on a grinding rail underwater. You're literally in a tube of air. A tube of air, and it looks fucking... I think this looks wonderful. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Fuck, goddamn. I looked at the text. No! I looked at the terminal. Okay. Guys, it's done. Oh, well, it's fetched all the packages. Let's see what happens. Simulating upgrade. Systems are go for launch. Reboot now. Okay. It would be really funny if this were like, fuck now. Make a good video, I guess. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. That's gonna take a while, I guess. No, a while where I can't do anything. I don't know if this is a weird take or something, but I like Reese's peanut butter cups. I think they taste pretty good, but holy shit. I hate this packaging because it comes in this plastic shit. And then it has a tray of cardboard. Then it has, again, this little plastic stuff. And then you unpack these. You get a little bit of literal just cardboard that probably does actually nothing other than just, I guess, protecting that this shit stays square. And then also logically this cup thing is in a little paper cup thing. Why not just have them like this in this paper cup thing? And then have a... What happens? Did I press something? Or was that supposed to happen? Either way, I like this more. I think I pressed something on the keyboard accidentally. Why not just have them like this and put them in like a little cardboard box that's just this tall and has like a top, right? Slide them in and then they're protected and fine. What the hell is wrong with you? Like this, look. Just like that, and then slide them in there and then it's fine. It's fine then. Maybe like a paper thing around that. Like a chocolate bar, like any other chocolate thing ever. Well, oh no, it's America, so it has to have as much waste as possible because that's how America do, I guess. Sorry. Actually, not sorry. Fuck off. Reese's. I'm going insane. That's what the title is going to be. Or random dude installs Pop OS 22.04 and goes slightly mad. That's the actual title. I just came up with the title. Listen to Cubs. Scheduler. Dependency failed for Cubs. Scheduler. Cups. Get your shit together, mate. Look at that. Look. New USB device found. New USB device found. That's this right there that I've complained about. That is doing this bullshit. Why? I don't know if that's the fault of Linux or the fault of this fucking thing. But as you can see, that's really stupid. Is it still working? Because it says like a start job is running for execute system updates early in the boot process. And that's the only thing it's saying, except for new USB device. Is it still working? I think you're witnessing either the failure of an upgrade, or I don't know, maybe the OS is just fucking around as well. I'm just fucking confused. I don't know enough about Linux, but I think this is bullshit.
Hello, this is Silas from editing right here, and
I think this very moment where it says Papa as login, I think that very much is the moment where it's concluded, where it's actually like done. I think what happened was I just had a bad RAM configuration, and that will also explain the rest of what will be happening just because I had bad RAM settings. What even is happening? Pop OS login. Oh my god, what is happening now? So I don't think that's good because it just, well, can't see it because it's scrolled down. It says Pop OS login right there. Yay, what's happening? Oh my god. This fucking, fuck you. I'm gonna get rid of it. I'm gonna get rid of this bullshit. Oh my god. System is booting up. Unprivileged users are not permitted to log in yet. Please come back later. Oh my god. Get rid of this. I'm gonna shut this down because just fuck off. This is annoying and stupid, and you could go eat a dick, fucking Ava Media. You work, sure. It's great, amazing how well it works when you use it, but when it's not in use and it does this fucking weird shit, that's annoying. That just flat out sucks. I'm just getting rid of it. You probably can turn this off in, like in the BIOS or something. Get rid of the glass. The system is fucked now, I'm telling you. This is never gonna boot ever again. My fucking Chinese Xiaomi fucking. Okay, get away. Go, fucker, go. This is fucked now. This is like, actually, I think this is just fucked. I don't know, man. I don't know. Oh wait, there it is. It's working. I just had to remove my capture card. That's No, not Microsoft Teams. Oh my god. You are the worst. I've turned off fucking auto start for this. Are you fucking serious? How do you exit out of this? Look, I can't even minimize it or do anything. Close it. Fuck off. Go away. This is you are. Oh my god. You are out of your mind. Microsoft, you can absolutely go away. Can't even press Alt and F4. Control and Q. What the shit? Are you serious? Look at my calendar. Sure, that has nothing in it. Okay. That's nice. Why? Why is it? Why are you like this? Why are you like this? Look at this. There's like a white border. And probably something is behind that. But Microsoft Teams is blocking it. I will. Oh my god. That was a horrible mistake. Hell, what the fuck? Fuck, man, fuck. Can I restart it? Can I restart it and hope that no Microsoft Teams is going to show up again? How do I get rid of it? I can't oh my god. Yeah, it's like, is it fucked now? How do I like only launch it in a terminal mode? Can I do that somehow? So at the login screen, press Control Alt F5. Why is it F5 on this? Holy shit, there we go. There we go, okay. If you want to confuse a Windows user, just type in apt list. And they will think you're a hacker. How do you filter this? Can you use grep? I don't fucking know. Teams, Microsoft Teams. Okay, Teams, there you go. Which one is it now? Is it just called Teams /now? Fuck. Oh my god, what is happening? sudo epkg dash configure a. There are reasons for using the command. Now, I mean, one thing that I tell people about Linux, or that everybody should tell people about Linux, is you should definitely do a lot of things with the command line, because sometimes bullshit like this happens where you can't use your OS anymore because Teams is just fully in the foreground now and you can't do anything, and that sucks. But then in case something goes wrong, which eventually you'll probably encounter something like that, then you can fix it. This fucking terminal is so weird. That's the one thing that I don't like. It just gives you a blinking cursor and you just have to remember, oh, it's still probably doing something. You don't know if it is because it doesn't do anything. It just doesn't show any progress or something. But nobody knows. Teams. That's one thing that I don't like about the command line, is that personally I'm never sure if this is the actual package that I want, because some things have spaces in the name when you look at it in the GUI, but then other shit happens and it's like whatever. Yeah, I think because like when you install Teams, or well, when you click on Teams, it just says Microsoft Teams, and then I'm like, you can't write Microsoft space Teams, so it has to be something else, and it's just Teams. But you just have to know what the packages are actually called. Which that's like the one thing that I kind of don't like. Removing Teams, removing Teams, and fuck you Teams, you can go away, you need to dig. Errors were encountered while processing. Sure. Okay. Oh, Control Alt F5. Ah, fuck you! It just said Control Alt F5 to go to. What is it? What is it? Pop OS site. Give me help. I need help now. Oh, okay. Now you have to press F1. So this is like different from Ubuntu, I guess. I remember on Ubuntu it was F1 to go to the text, and then you press F7 to switch back or switch between them. And now let's cross our fingers that the pisser is gone and that the okay, see? Oh my god. A problem has occurred and the system can't recover. Please log out and try again. Well, fuck you then. What does log out and try again mean? Are you insane? Well, in that case, it's time to search how Pop OS up recovery mode. Okay, boot into recovery mode. Bring up the system deboot menu by holding down space while the system is booting. If that doesn't work, then I'm gonna switch to fucking Fedora. Like, holy shit, fuck this. Part of my fault because I was sitting there looking at, start process is to execute restart, whatever the fuck. And I was like, well, fuck this. I'm just gonna hold down the space bar now, okay? I guess this recovery mode is kind of cool. I don't think that's a standard Ubuntu thing. Refresh or install Pop OS. You fucker, if this deletes my files. Okay, refresh or install Ubuntu. Pop OS 22.04 LTS. English. No, English UK. There you go, English UK. Refresh, install. Reinstall Pop OS 22.04 while keeping user accounts and files. Could not install. Oh my god, what in the hell is what is wrong with you? Install Pop OS failed, possibly due to a hardware error. Recovery thing was a cool idea. And now I see that it sucks. Oh my god. If you look at that, it says Pop! OS 21.10 right there. And I think that's maybe, is that maybe the issue? Maybe it thinks like, oh, well, I can't restore this because it's 21.10 and this is the restorer for 22.04. Maybe that is the problem actually. I think that makes a bit of sense. Okay, well let's make a new boot stick then, like a new USB stick or something with 21.10 on it. And then blah, wired connected. Work! What? What the fuck is that? Why doesn't it work? What do you mean connection time down? Fuck you! It's working! Firefox, are you lying to me? Fuck you! Why the fuck doesn't Firefox work in this? This is dumb. Do I now have to restart, get into some shit old fucking Windows 10, download a fucking Pop! OS 21.10, put it on a stick, and then I can maybe refresh the old install and try again with the upgrade? Are you insane? Well, time to plug in the SSD again, my old Windows SSD, so I can use Windows for this shit. How much fucking shit luck can you have? And me, it's just yes. Woo! Windows, yeah. Woo. I will cut something. Or someone. I don't even. Of course, it's not been booted up for like 5 months, and of course it has to prepare shit. Fuck you, you cunt. Ah yes, lovely desktop icons. I hate desktop icons so much because I always end up doing this. So that's why I stopped using Windows, because DLL errors. Oh fuck, the monitor's in the wrong configuration. Why is there so much shit go fucking away? There's so much crap on here too. I mean, I like Gilded and I like Discord, but go away, man. No voice mod. Oh my god, Firefox software updater. System components cannot be hooked right now. It's recommended you restart application. Fuck you. No. There's so much fucking around that goes on in this. Okay. Papa, where's 21? Where the fuck can I get the old version? Every fucking download link that you get, eventually goes back to this. Where you can't fucking get it. You can only get... Oh fuck, you can't even see this. But you can only get 22.04 now. Yeah, maybe it's time to like just not use Pop anymore. Maybe I'll have to like fuck off. Like holy shit, this is insane. Where do they have like an archive or something? Let's test this. Ubuntu. That's what my comparison now. If they have an easy version of, actually accept all because there's fucking Windows here. Download. If they have an easy section to download all the versions or something. Let's see alternative downloads. Oh look! It's right fucking there! In that case I will stop this video now. Actually I won't stop this video now because I want to see what happens when I click on and execute. Because I'm just... No, not sleep! Fuck, not sleep! I hate Windows so much. Why doesn't it ask you what you want to do? It just fucking does it immediately. Like it's a fucking bitch. Fucking turn on again. Is it even sleeping? It's not even sleeping. Fuck you. This is not good, is it? Do something, man. Is this whole computer getting fucked now? Red, good. White, good. Green, yes, good. Is it just completely busted now? I can't see anything! Oh my god, I have to unplug this shit Windows drive so this cuck motherboard knows, oh, you're not going to Windows, oh no. Just want to see. I'm going to press on LXQT because I don't remember installing that. I think I looked at like themes for XFCE or something, but I can't remember having looked at LXQT things. It's 2 black screens now, and it's apparently still on. And oh look, it's the white arrow. That means graphics card is fucking busted or some bullshit, and I don't think that's working anyways. I think that's a fucking lie. I'm not going to continue on this now. Hello, it's another day, people, and it's the second day of this, the odyssey of upgrading, and I've made a little Pop! OS stick. Pop! OS got back to me on Twitter, and they said we don't host old versions, which personally I think is actually really stupid, because what happens if you just want to install one of the older ones? What happens if you really need one of the older ones? Then you're screwed, at least on any official Pop! OS sites. So you have to go to some shady fucking Russian file server or something to download your old operating system to like restore some old stuff. Well, anyways, let's launch into my BIOS. Into the UEFI. There you go. And boot the stick and see what happens. There you go. Pop! OS. Nice. That's pretty cool. Installed Pop! OS is not responding. That's not good. Oh, there we go. Oh no. Okay. So let's try this. English. Refresh. Install. Let's see if this works. Oh. From this drive. Keeping the files and you have to reinstall the apps, which that kind of sucks. That sucks. But I guess it's just, that's not that big of a deal because the Pop Shop exists and it's like not that hard. It's a bit shitty. Oh no, there's gonna be so many things. So many things to reinstall. No. I have no idea what's happened. No. No. Oh, it didn't work again. Fuck. Shit, that sucks. Okay, let's restart it. Remove the stick, and then I'll just boot it into my broken install, and then we'll see. Maybe you can do something in the terminal to fix it. Maybe, because I've seen a number of other people on Reddit talking about how they had similar issues or the same like screen happen. It is different reasons for people, but yeah, maybe it can be fixed. It probably can be, but it's just dumb. No, it still happens. So I think actually the OS I think is still fine. Actually, I think it's just like the graphical shell that's broken. But actually, let me execute. Why is it unexecuted still? They must have done something. Don't remember doing that though. I don't remember doing that. Welcome to execute. Choose your favorite window manager. There is none here. What good is a fucking boot disk if it does nothing? Or like a recovery disk if it doesn't even work. At least the way that I thought it would. Like, what can it actually fix? Can it actually fix a few problems? Or does it just say, oh well, I've tried my best, but it's just fake? By the way, I clearly think it hasn't worked, because right fucking there it says Pop! OS 21.10. It clearly has not worked. Shit. So I have developed an idea in my head. I tried looking at what other people had, and I don't think that's what my issue is, because I've seen that the OS itself still works. But I don't know. Let's just try shit. I want to see. Don't do this. That's really stupid. But I think I'm just gonna see if this is gonna work. I don't know. Like, what else can I lose? I mean, all of the data, but okay. Where is the? There's no. How do you have fun when there's no risk? You can't do that. Can't do that. Holy shit! There's so many fucking oh my god! How do you can you scroll up in this? Page up. No. Removing essential system critical packages is not permitted. Oh my god. How do I fix it? Okay, so as a quick update, I tried moving my files using a Pop! OS USB stick, but for some reason I shut down the Pop! OS USB stick, I guess improperly, and then just the Pop! OS USB stick was completely broken. So now I have a Ubuntu Unity live environment stick, just because I also had that. Now I have been able to get into the old home directory, so the data is still here, and I'm now just trying to move it to another drive, which is actually just a Windows drive that I just deleted like a lot of videos from. I hope that this is working. I put it into the terminal with sudo because it was like, oh no, you don't have permissions, while trying to do that with the GUI. So I guess I will now leave this and then see if it works. There's like 500 gigabytes of files, so I'm not gonna sit here and watch all of this shit. It's day 3, by the way. Oh yeah, it's also changed. I can't even boot into the Pop! OS thing anymore, not even into the login screen. I don't know why. I have now copied all of my files onto its day. Oh fuck, I don't even know. Day 4, day 5. I don't even know, man. I don't even know. I've now copied all of my whole home directory from the old drive onto this, onto a Windows drive. So my data is basically all saved now, except for apps. But that's fine. Actually, I guess app images are saved. Nice, app images. Woo. And yeah, I did do this inside of Fedora now, because Ubuntu Unity kept crashing. It crashed like 3 times. But I was like, yeah, let's make a new boot drive, boot disk, boot thumbstick, whatever, for Fedora. And now I'll install a new operating system. I haven't decided if I want to install Pop! OS again, because I have been thinking about Fedora and the unchanged GNOME experience. I've been kind of eyeing that. Fedora's pretty nice, but maybe. So I've now I did have an OS installed, but it was still glitching out, and you couldn't even download files, and I couldn't even install software because of checksum errors every single time. So somebody on Reddit suggested to run memtest It's not even like really done yet, and it already has 42,168 errors. And yeah, so I guess I'll have to change its day to the next day again anyway. So I guess I have to change the memory settings, because I changed the memory settings because I did a BIOS update just before installing Pop! OS again. This is such a long story, fuck. So this is Editing Silas again. I did install Pop! OS again. I have Fedora on my little laptop thing that I use for school. That's great. That is awesome. I tried putting Zorin OS on my big PC that you saw in this video, and yeah, as I said, it did get like a lot of weird errors, and Firefox also kept crashing. So when somebody suggested to run memtest, I was like, actually, yeah, that makes total sense. That makes absolute sense. And yes, so I guess the lesson from this video now is always do always do backups, people. Not even when you do updates, but like use like snapshotting tools, time shifting tools, whatever they're called, where it just like periodically does a little snapshot like once a day or something. That's good. That's very good to have, because hardware failure can happen. Not you doing stupid things, but like hardware errors can happen. So having a separate backup is good. And also, after you change your memory settings, make sure that your PC actually doesn't have any trouble. Run memtest, people. Run memtest. I didn't do it because at that time I really had to record my podcast very, very fast. So I didn't run memtest, which I would have done if I at that point had enough time to actually do it. But yeah, I think that also explains why Windows didn't really sleep. I think I included that shot. I accidentally pressed sleep, and then it just like the screen like went black, and it didn't really shut off or anything. And Windows also like crashed with a, you guessed it, a fucking memory error. Yeah, memtest is good. Making most of your RAM, getting that as fast as it can be, that's good. Using something like DOCP and XMP, that's good. If you make sure that it's still stable. So yeah, please, I hope that you've learned that, and if you've watched this far, very much thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Maybe write a comment if you've learned anything from this, if you had any serious issues with your own PCs. Did updating to Pop! OS 2204 go well for you? I hope it did, and now I will see you in the next one. Goodbye!